back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be telling y'all the things that have helped me to improve my frontal installs. So if you go back and look at my other videos on me installing my frontal, you can see that they don't look up to par. So I've learned a few things, I've done a few things, and I've tried a few strategies, and this is what works for me. What works for me might not work for you. So let's get started. In this video, I'm gonna be talking to y'all and installing this wig from MYSHINYWIGS. I've had this for a little minute, so if you want to look at the review, the initial review on this wig, then I will have it linked in the description box for y'all. Or the first strategy that I have adopted is to pluck my wigs before I put them on. So I do my own installs. I do pluck style hot comb. Thing that you can do on a wig head, on a person, I do it on the head, just because like it's so much easier to do all that stuff on a wig head because you can see it. Last thing about me doing all wig head things on the wig head, much easier, and your install goes so much faster. It's like, look, the wig is already washed, already prepped, already pin curl. All I gotta do is stick this thing on my head. The thing I really have to do is like take the pins out and then fluff it out, comb it out, make it fall the way I want to. So number 2 is I started using the same foundation that I use on my face on my lace. So what I mean by that is if you already wear foundation and like you already know your foundation shade, just put it on your cap. Like put it in your lace, put it in your wig. It'll be so much easier than trying to match some random lace tint to your skin. Foundation matches your skin to a T, then your wig will be melted to the gauze because it'll be the same. It'll literally be the same color as your face. I started installing my wigs in sections. So any adhesive that I was using, I would put it from here to here, and then I would do it from here to here. That's it. I'm a person that likes to break things up in tasks, and it's so, like I said, it's so much easier. That I learned is to stop using glue. I completely stopped using glue. I've been glue free for about 6 months now, and I'm loving it. This is strictly user error because it's like I just can't get it right. I've tried it multiple times and I just can't get it right. First reason why I stopped using glue was because it was breaking me out. So I would try Bold Hold. I was trying Bold Hold Active, Ghost Bond Active, and all those things, all of those glues had my forehead toe up, y'all. Like I like itchy and raw. Itchy and raw are the two words to sum up that situation. I would wait too long for the glue to dry. I wouldn't wait long enough.
So then it would still be white and sticky, and then there would be some parts that were white and sticky and some parts of my glue that I sprayed out that were already dry. And so then I'm like, do I wait until it all dries, but then one part is going to be dry and the other part isn't going to be dry? It was just a stressful situation. It has holes in it, so sometimes I would do the install and the glue would leak through the lace. And so I was like, dude, what am I doing wrong? So I was like, I give up. Tired of installing an entire wig, and then I take a little band off and it's ugly, and you use all this oil to try it again. I was upset. Like, it was really pissing me off.
Is Even Wonder Lace, not a sponsor, and it came in and it saved my life. I have to follow my strategies. I've only been doing installs for real since March of 2021, so it still hasn't been that long, and I'm learning along the way. So let me do the tug test for y'all for this Even Wonder Lace. Like, y'all sure y'all don't want to, y'all sure y'all still want to use glue? Are y'all sure y'all still want to use glue? Like, once I found out about Even Wonder Lace, I vowed to never buy glue ever again in my life. I'm going to fluff out these curls and make them look a little bit better, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all what this wig looks like. So this is the finished product of the wig. I tried a little bit. I didn't put forth a ton of effort like I always do, but she's still looking good. She's still laid and slayed, and that's the goal. So I'm hoping that all the things that I told y'all about, what I learned about doing wig install it. I hope y'all learned something from what I learned, and maybe it won't take y'all a whole year and a half to master and install. Come to the end of this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to check out my podcast.